In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and download attendance reports for your online meetings effectively. This is a crucial feature to ensure you're keeping track of who attends your sessions, especially if you're managing large groups or need to report attendance for record-keeping purposes. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, before the meeting even begins, it's essential to ensure that the meeting organizer has enabled the Allow Attendance Report setting. Without this setting turned on, you won't be able to download attendance reports later. You can think of this step as setting the stage for everything that follows. The best time to do this is when you are setting up the meeting, so you don't have to remember it just before the meeting starts. This is a handy tip that saves you from last-minute scrambles, especially when you are caught up in preparing other details for your meeting. To enable this setting, you'll need to start by opening your calendar where the meeting is listed. Clicking on the meeting will open a series of options. Look for the Meeting Options link. Once you're there, find the toggle labeled Allow Attendance Reports and make sure it's turned on. This action creates the opportunity for you, or anyone you designate as the organizer, to track who attends. It's just like flipping a switch in your meeting room that turns on the invisible attendance register. Now that you've set up the meeting to capture attendance, you're all ready for the meeting itself. Once the meeting is in progress, there might come a time when you'll want to access an attendance list. This is particularly useful if attendees pop in and out, or if you need to keep a record of participants. During the meeting, you'll want to direct your attention to the People or Participants icon. This is typically located at the bottom of your screen and looks like two heads and shoulders side by side. Clicking this will reveal a list of all current participants in the meeting. Right next to this list, you'll see an option for More Actions, which is represented by three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking on this will display additional options. Among these options, you'll find Download Attendance List. This is what you're looking for. Clicking this option will automatically download a CSV file directly to your device. Think of this file as your digital attendance sheet that you can review, archive, or share with team members who might need this information. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily ensure you have a comprehensive record of who attended your meetings. This practice not only helps in keeping things organized, but also contributes to a seamless workflow for all your future meetings. Happy organizing!